58 seconds. Why am I shaking? Oh my god. This is so nerve-wracking. Halo guys, good morning. Jadi ini sekarang jam 9.30 dan aku udah lining up untuk beli tiket Blackpink Singapore on Ticketmaster. Jadi aku sebenarnya masih bingung sih, aku harus beli yang VIP atau yang biasa-biasa aja. Soalnya yang VIP aku denger-denger harus berangkat dari jam 10 pagi, lining up, abis itu jam
3 ada soundcheck, setelah soundcheck nggak bisa keluar. Jadi kayak nggak tahu harus makan atau harus pipi, and then I don't know if I can go back to the hotel to just get ready.
you know, jadi aku kayak masih bingung sih, tapi ini udah lagi 20 menit udah harus war. Well, sebenarnya sih aku punyanya yang pre-sale membership, not the early bird. Jadi aku sekarang cuma mau lihat-lihat aja gitu loh. Jadi kita masih tetap bisa lihat bagaimana harga tiketnya, yang seatsnya yang available yang mana. Jadi aku bisa ready untuk nanti aku war jam 12 siang. So the reason why I'm here earlier than 10 a.m. it's because aku udah baca and did my research. Katanya sih harus di website Ticketmaster itu 30 menit sebelum jam 10 atau sebelum tiket salesnya itu start.
Okay, I'm sorry guys, it's 10 minutes, not 30 minutes.
Tapi aku kesini tuh kayak jam 9 pagi gitu loh. Soalnya aku kepingin cepet-cepet, walaupun cuma bisa lihat aja ya ini dan ini tuh cuma untuk early bird member, but whatever.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, 58 seconds. Why am I shaking? Oh my god, this is so nerve-wracking. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Wish me luck, oh my god. 2, 1. Oh my god, what? So if you can tell by my expression over there, I actually got super confused because there's usually a queue number and it's telling me how many people are actually in front of me, but it was nothing. That's why I got super confused.
And here's the example.
One more thing, I'm not gonna skip the whole process like how long it took me to get into the website, but if you want to skip it, just skip it. It's okay. What does this mean? Is my Wi-Fi okay? Like, I don't know. Okay. Oh my god, what? Why is it so fast? What? Oh my god, what?
Okay, I got panicked here. I should have just clicked buy tickets.
Find tickets? Oh no, I couldn't. So it's 11:47. Aku sekarang nungguin untuk pre-sale membership. Yang satu lagi bukannya early bird, tapi nggak tahu kenapa sekarang lebih nervous daripada yang tadi. Oh, takut nggak dapet tiket.
Bruh.
VIP is so tempting, but I'm trying not to beli yang VIPs because aku males banget gitu loh, harus line up dari pagi, udah gitu nggak bisa makan, nggak tahu bisa balik ke hotel lagi apa enggak, kayak I'm not about those lifestyle anymore. I used to though. VIP is so tempting tapi harus jaga nafsu. Jangan beli yang VIP, Maya. It's okay. You don't need VIP tickets. You don't need it. I have to keep repeating like the words to myself so that I'm not regretting it. 11:49. 11:57 guys. Oh my. Ini aku kasih lihat deh. 11:57. It's already 11:59 coba. Oh, it doesn't work. Still doesn't work though. It's already 11:59. Okay, I'm gonna wait until like 12 p.m. to see if my promo code is working. Oh, this is so sad. Why is my promo code doesn't work? Okay, it's already 12. Yes! Oh my god, it works! It works! It works! I'm gonna choose 1:30. Guys, don't you think my commitment to not buying a VIP tickets are out of this world? I mean, I'm so proud of myself. It's literally in front of my eyes. Pen A1, it was available. Pen A2, it was available too. I'm so proud of myself. Juga kepengen kasih tahu kalian kenapa aku bisa tahu semua tiketnya masih available. Itu karena biasanya kalau masih available itu warnanya itu lebih vibrant. Dan kalau udah sold out itu lebih soft. Nanti aku kasih lihat picture-nya so you guys know everything what I meant. Okay? Okay. 13 seats, 2 seats, best available. Yarf. Submit. Oh my god, I got the tickets! I got the tickets! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is this real? If you guys can't tell, I'm about to go back and then choose VIPs. Okay. Print at home. Okay, you know what? Kenapa aku tadi diam sebentar? Soalnya aku kayak mikir yang VIP gimana ya sih? Jangan. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Okay, it's not worth it. I know it's worth it, but I have to say it to myself. I'm sorry about that. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I don't know how far is row N, but A, B, C, F, G, A, K, L, M. Okay, 13. I think it's okay, right? That's it. That's all. I secured the tickets. Hope you enjoy, and if you guys want to see my vlog tour, just let me know. Bye.